just about to record for you a very short summary of our beginners solo Paso Doble practice routine number 3. So this was taught on Tuesday, the 3rd of May 2022. So if you're looking in my video library, you're looking for the beginners solo Paso Doble on the 3rd of May 22. So very short summary, and I did give everyone a little bit of artistic license to interpret some of these moves how they wish. We're only solo dancing, we're not doing it with a partner, we're not being graded or put in for a competition. So I love the Paso Doble and I love the character of it, and you can just lose yourself in the character of it. Now, I am going to have to do this without music, unfortunately, because I'll be posting this at a later stage on the YouTube channel. So I have to do it without music because I don't want to get a copyright strike. But if you're looking in my video library, you will see in the lesson, obviously, we did it with the music, which is fantastic. So a little start, I'll do it without all the drama, and then I'll try and put a bit more drama in the second time through. Now, we were marching on the spot, doing our little surplus, and characterizing with the arms, and we use 16 counts, and I said to everyone to use whichever arm styling they felt like. You can bring them down, you could pull them back, push out the hips, and so on. But I said we do 16 counts of your choosing. Then we did some chassis to the side. So on this first one, I went to the right side and I went up and down. I didn't put weight on this foot because I want to reuse it and go back the other way, only because we're limited on space. Up and down. Okay. The second time I went with the chassis and I did it as a little drag. So I went over and here, and over and here, over and here, and over and here. Again, I didn't put weight at the end of that because I wanted to use that. Now, we're going to use the slip attack, and we've adapted it for the living room and adapted it so I can do it twice over. The first time is similar to the leader's footwork, as it would be in the ballroom, and the second time is more similar to the follower's footwork. But there's a couple of slight adjustments just so that we could get around the living room. So I'm going to go here, 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 close in, no weight, and then forwards, open, open, close in. So it is a lot of artistic license there from me. So back, 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 pull in, forwards, open, open, pull in. Then I went off for some slow walks. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then, doesn't matter where you end up facing, we finished with the appel to the promenade close. And that is actually more like a leader's footwork would be. Okay, let's put it all together. So 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little finish there. You could indeed add some Spanish taps on at the end if you so wish. That's with the slow counting, and unfortunately, like I say, I can't put the music on because I don't want to get a little strike when I put this on YouTube. Let's just do it once more. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on the YouTube, don't forget to have a look at what else is in the playlist for Paso Doble. And if you're watching in my video library, head on over to the rest of the beginners solo Ballroom Latin classes and have a little look. We have lots and lots of dance styles on there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.